Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning those from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.